A positive charge is moved from point A to point B in each diagram, and it's given that the charges are in an equipotential surface, and the question is about the work done. It's known that the work done by the charge, or else we can say the work should be done to move charge from one place to another place, can be calculated using a formula Q time del V, whereas Q is representing the charge and del V is representing the potential difference. So here it's given in the question, it is a positive charge. So there is no detail about the value of a charge, but there is a detail about the potential. It's given in the question, it is happening on an equipotential surface. So it's known that whenever there is an equipotential, there will be no change in a potential value, or else we can say the potential value remains same throughout the surface. So that time we can say del V will be same. So we can say in all four cases, the work done will be same because everything is for a same charge value. So W will be same for all four options. So the correct answer here is option A.